Hi guys, it's me Seth again. Sorry for a long wait. Sorry for a long wait. Anyways, into my today's video, I like to teach you guys the second and the third Japanese of the Japanese alphabet. Anyway, let's get started. Ka, ki, ku, ge, go, and the Gekkoten, which are the little lungs and the top of the letter O. One of them will be a circle and the top, and we ka, ki, ku, ge, go, and ka, ki, ku, ge, go. Simple, isn't it? And I am again sorry I didn't done YouTube and TikTok for a while. Please forgive me. I know 2 people who liked my post or commented on my post seen my YouTube channel but didn't get updates. So sorry. Anyway, I'm going to do my YouTube again on Fridays and do on TikTok whatever days I pick. And we have a nice day, have a nice weekend. See you later. Bye.